Join me as I dive into some senior wellness secrets that promise to help us stop aging faster. Let's see if I can actually make a difference. As we age, maintaining our health and vitality becomes more important than ever. It's not just about adding years to our lives, but also about adding life to those years. Senior wellness is a holistic approach that encompasses physical health, mental well-being, and social connections. By focusing on these areas, we can significantly improve our quality of life as we age. Many of us look forward to our golden years, envisioning a life of leisure and enjoyment. However, the reality is that aging can bring a host of challenges, from declining physical abilities to increased risk of chronic diseases. It's easy to get caught up in the misconception that aging means inevitable decline, but the truth is, there's a lot we can do to influence our health and vitality. Common misconceptions about aging can hold us back from taking proactive steps towards maintaining our health. Some believe that memory loss and cognitive decline are unavoidable parts of aging. But while some degree of change is natural, we can take steps to support brain health. Others think that exercise is only for the young, but regular physical activity can greatly benefit seniors, improving mobility and reducing the risk of falls. The challenges many seniors face in maintaining their health are real. Chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and arthritis can become more prevalent with age. Social isolation can also become a significant issue as friends move away or pass away, and mobility issues make it harder to stay connected. Exploring various wellness secrets can help us tackle these challenges head-on. Nutrition plays a critical role in supporting our health as we age. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can provide the necessary building blocks for maintaining muscle mass, supporting bone health, and fueling our bodies. Exercise is another key component of senior wellness. It doesn't have to be strenuous. Even gentle activities like walking, swimming, or Tai Chi can make a big difference. These activities can help maintain flexibility, strength, and balance, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Engaging in activities that challenge our minds, such as puzzles, learning a new skill, or even volunteering, can help keep our brains sharp. Social connections are vital too. Staying in touch with friends, family, or joining community groups can help combat loneliness and isolation. One particularly impactful wellness secret is the power of social connections. Studies have shown that seniors with strong social ties tend to live longer, healthier lives. It's not just about having someone to call, it's about feeling connected and engaged with our communities. Incorporating activities that foster social connections into our daily lives can have profound effects. Whether it's joining a senior center, participating in group fitness classes, or simply making time for regular phone calls with loved ones, these actions can significantly enhance our well-being. The benefits of social connections extend beyond just mental health. They can also have a positive impact on our physical health. For example, seniors with strong social support networks tend to have lower blood pressure, healthier body mass indexes, and reduced inflammation. By prioritizing social connections, we can create a support network that helps us navigate the challenges of aging. This can include finding local community groups that align with our interests, or simply making an effort to stay in touch with friends and family. In conclusion, by focusing on nutrition, exercise, mental health, and social connections, if you're as interested in health and wellness as I am, check out my other video where we dive deeper into nutrition for seniors. Share your own wellness tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.